Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you all my nighttime skincare routine. I've just taken a bath and washed my face. This is how my skin looks like up close without any makeup. And my skincare routine at night has three main steps. The first step is washing my face with a cleanser. Today I have used Lactocalamine face wash. It is with Kaolin, clay, niacinamide and vitamin E. These days I am getting some breakouts, so I have used this one. The next step is 10% niacinamide face serum. Once I apply the face serum on my face, I gently dab the serum onto my face. Serums are to be dabbed and not rubbed to the skin. They themselves penetrate to the deeper layers of our skin. The final step is using a very thick moisturizer. The one that I'm using today is by Pure Elements. It's age defying advanced night cream for wrinkle control and skin lightening. I use this moisturizer on the days when I feel that my skin is dehydrated or it's dry or the skin barrier is getting affected due to usage of lot of products for treating the acne marks, acne scars, like salicylic acid or niacinamide or any other chemical exfoliants like AHAs, BHAs, PHAs if I'm using them regularly in my skincare. So I like to nourish my skin and replenish the skin barrier by using a very thick moisturizer and gently massaging into my skin. Now one step that I forgot to mention, which is very important for me because I have very dry dehydrated lips, I use a Nourishing Lip Balm or a lip treatment, and this one that I am using today is by Marks & Spencer Apothecary Nourishing Lip. So this is my simple nighttime skincare routine. If you liked it, then share the love by subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up.